About 1 in 3 search queries now goes through a chatbot like Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, ChatGPT, and all these other popular guys. But here's the part where most business owners are still guessing about a lot of the stuff. So important to note is that ChatGPT referral traffic converts about 14% of all the people, and regular Google is literally just 3%, guys. So that tells me one thing, and that is that people that are asking the AI chatbots are in the buying stage. So naturally, you want to start optimizing for that answer so that they can be buying from you. And look, we don't want ChatGPT or the other LLMs to start recommending your competitors, so it's going to be key for you to start optimizing for these answers, right? So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through and teaching you exactly how to teach ChatGPT and other LLMs to start recommending your business instead of your competitor so that you can optimize for these answers and come out even stronger now in 2026 with all the new plays and measures out there. It's going to be a game changer. And best of all, most of you guys can do this yourself. It's not hard by any means. Just follow the steps here in this video and listen to what I have to tell you, and I think after this you're going to be very clear on how to teach ChatGPT and other LLMs about you. And important to know is that AI isn't necessarily eating all of the traffic, right? It's just eating all of the recommendational and informational traffic, which is obviously a huge part of what we all call search. Think about it. If you type in best soccer cleats to buy, or best CRM software, or best hotel in Lisbon, Portugal, what do you do nowadays? Personally, I go to AI, and 5 years ago I was going to Google, and that exact shift is what's happening to everyone around you. It's not just you, it's not just me, it's everyone. And the crazy part is ChatGPT has 883 million monthly active users, and that puts them right in the list of a top 3 search engine like Google, Bing, all these other guys. I can't even name all the other ones because I don't use them anymore. But it's good to know that the biggest mistake most people make is they treat it like traditional SEO, which to an extent is true, but not necessarily completely. Look, ChatGPT doesn't just crawl your page like traditional SEO tools would, but instead it looks for information, things that it already learned about your business, small summaries up the top of the page, blog articles, things that people have been saying online on forums like Reddit, Quora, and other popular source websites where information can be found around you. And the big mistake is that a lot of people just cram their homepage with a bunch of keywords that would have worked if you were just optimizing for SEO, but ChatGPT literally does not give a shit about it. Instead, it cares way more what the rest of the internet says about you. Like I said, Reddit, Quora, YouTube comments, YouTube videos, podcasts, stuff like that where you're mentioned, that's really where you can make the moves. Because if ChatGPT sees that you're being talked about positively rather than negatively, it's going to boost you up in the recommendations of the AI answer. And that ultimately is going to be super powerful for you. Look, the shift was Google ranks the page, right? So on the front page of Google, you would have a rank, your links will get pressed, it will lead into a conversion and potentially a customer. But AI sits on the other end of things. It shows the brand that gets talked about in these sources. So think about it, it's less SEO, but it's more social engineering, social reputation, and just people in general, plus what the sentiment is around you. Because you could have a bunch of people speaking about your brand, but if it's negative, obviously it's going to be very hard for ChatGPT to start thinking, hey, this brand should be one of the recommendations that I give. You can see it like this. If you have a homepage with a bunch of keywords and a good blog, obviously that can help to some extent rank your page in ChatGPT. But if you have a Reddit thread or a Quora discussion where people are vouching for your brand, that's like a bunch of reviews that it just combines into one, thinking, hey, this is a good brand to give as an answer. But important to know is don't just go spam Reddit, right? They will end you, they will remove your account, they will get you banned, and if not, IP banned or even hardware banned, which is one of the worst things you can have on Reddit because it means you're out of the game. But instead, you find the threads, you read them, you leave subtle comments about your brand, and you try to infiltrate these discussions so that people can consider you. And not only people, also the AI. And another good thing to know is that about 40% of what ChatGPT extracts comes from 30% of the beginning of a blog or an article, so not the rest. So like I said, what you want to do is almost have these TLDR things on your page, or call it like a short summary, something at the start of the page that ChatGPT can immediately extract as information about your brand so that you can influence what ChatGPT is going to say to people. Another thing that ChatGPT really loves, and other popular LLMs as well, is statistics. So if you have a blog which has a small summary at the top, put statistics in there, have a lot of statistics throughout the page, because it extracts these little bits from everything and then concludes it into one answer. So think about it. If you can extract the paragraph of that page, paste it somewhere else, and it still makes sense, that means that ChatGPT also can make sense out of it, and that means that you can use that to influence the AI answer. There's also this other tip that could help really well, and that is a LLMs text file onto your page. And in that text file, you're just gonna type about your brand. You're just gonna put a bunch of things about your brand, very, very summarized, so that next time the crawlers run to your page, they know immediately what your page is about, what your brand is about, and most importantly, what your total package is about, because it needs to be cohesive. And this is one tip I'm giving you guys, because a lot of your competitors will probably not have this, and a lot of people deem this unnecessary, but I'm gonna tell you this, the LLMs.txt file is actually really, really valuable to have on your page. It can literally be like an elevator pitch in a text file, call it LLMs.txt. Additionally to everything that I've said here, and it kind of interloops as well with like Reddit and Quora, is that you want to be present on these niche directories, like these forums. You want to be on guest articles, blogs, interviews, podcasts, as many things as you can do to influence and to make AI think that people are speaking about you will improve significantly for you to start ranking in AI. Most importantly to start doing as well is to audit and to test and to see, because you can open ChatGPT, you can open Claude, Perplexity, and type in best or alternative to or any keyword related to your brand, and then see what the answer is and compare it also to your competitors. Do the same thing, type in your competitors, see what the answer gives, because that gives you such valuable information to start optimizing for. Whoever gets mentioned right now is probably doing something great or good, so you can copy that, influence it, make it better, so that next time the AI is answering, it's going to include you in that answer. And now I get it. All of these things I said in this video sound tedious and take a long time to do. If you don't have that time, then we built the ultimate tool for you. We built CrowdReply. It's in the description below, and we track your AI visibility. We show you citation sources. We give you the ropes so that you can start outreaching, and we make it super, super simple for you to optimize your total AI visibility score, so that going up in the course of the next few weeks or months, just in general, it's the ultimate platform for you to start increasing your AI visibility. Like I said, it's in the description below. We have a 7-day free trial right now. If you want to see it for your brand, I'd say you should definitely dive in and see if it works, and I can guarantee you, you're going to be hooked.